Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with AliExpress dropshipping suppliers, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by researching potential dropshipping suppliers on AliExpress. Visit the AliExpress website. Use the search bar to find products related to your niche. Filter results by selecting the dropshipping option. Evaluate supplier ratings and reviews to ensure reliability and quality. Select a product that interests you. On the product page, scroll down to find supplier information. Click on the name of the supplier to access their storefront. Review the supplier's feedback score and customer comments. Look for suppliers who offer fast shipping and good communication. Check for a supplier that offers a wide range of products to expand your inventory. Once you find a suitable supplier, create an AliExpress account. Click on the Join button located in the top right corner. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a password. Confirm your email through the link sent to your inbox. After logging in, go back to the supplier's storefront. Click on the Message button to initiate contact. Introduce yourself and inquire about becoming a dropshipping partner. Discuss any specific terms, conditions, and policies related to dropshipping. Ask about bulk discounts and pricing for dropshippers. Once the supplier responds positively, confirm your partnership. Start by adding products to your online store. Be sure to use high-quality images and detailed descriptions. Monitor the supplier's stock levels regularly. Maintain clear communication with your supplier regarding orders. Keep track of customer requests and feedback. Always stay updated on any changes to the supplier's policies. With these steps, you can successfully register with AliExpress dropshipping suppliers and grow your business. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.